I believe Kawasaki needs 2 tiers of the naturally aspirated Ultra. They're going to change the name. They're changing it to LS or LC or something to that effect. It's not going to be LX. It's going to be something LC. Let's pretend it's LC. All right. Larry Charlie. All right. Let's say that the Ultra naturally aspirated LC is coming out 2024 because it's not happening for 23. They pushed it back. They have to. All right. So 2024, let's pretend the Ultra LC is coming out. Problem is that it doesn't have anything. It's going to be totally stripped down. It's not going to have sound. It's not going to have 2 speakers or 4 speakers or the air diffuser or the backup camera or the extension or any of that jazz. It's going to be a rental unit. It's going to be stripped down. And Kawasaki think, that's fine. That's all people need. Ding! We did that. That's good. And at no point is someone inside of Kawasaki going, hey, I'm curious. Why would Sea-Doo make a naturally aspirated Explorer Pro that has everything they offer? It's a conundrum. I don't know what else. I don't understand it. They just don't figure out that maybe there's people who don't want a supercharged engine, but they want all the bells and whistles and all the crap that Kevin doesn't like. But who knows? Yamaha sells every FX HO they build. They're going to sell every Explorer Pro. Every Fish Pro is naturally aspirated. The GTX 170, naturally aspirated. But Cowie's like, nope. All the good stuff's got to go on the supercharged skates. But if there was enough people screaming at the top of their lungs, hey, Cowie, here's an idea. Base Ultra LC comes with 2 speakers, and then the LCX, 4 speakers, backup camera, rear deck, naturally aspirated. Doesn't cost you anything. You have all the parts, maybe painted a different color. But what the hell? Why don't you do it? And they'll go, do you think there's a market for it? And we're like, yeah, McFly, we've been thinking about it we've been screaming about it for a while. Oh, okay. And that's the problem. They don't know because there isn't a bunch of people screaming at them loud enough. Okay.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.